All right, those were my pumpkin sugar cookies in my greased springform pan. We are gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, look how delicious this looks. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and let it cool. I have here a large bowl and a whisk, and I'm bringing in my no-bake pumpkin style pie. Oh yeah, this stuff is so delicious and so easy. You can make your own pumpkin pie mixture if you want, but this stuff is delicious. And we're using 2 packets of just the pie mixture, not the crust. So two boxes. We're gonna pour both packages into our bowl. Yummy. Now I'm gonna bring in 5 cups of milk. We're gonna pour that right in there. I used whole milk, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. And it is time to just whisk this together until it is fully combined. I absolutely love those sugar cookies. I love this pumpkin pie mixture, and together they're gonna make the most delicious dessert for either Halloween or Thanksgiving. Whatever you wanna make it for, people will love it. Just make sure you really get that milk mixed in. This is ready to be poured right on top of our cookies. Let's go ahead and bring our springform pan. You need a springform pan for this. Let's pour it in. Oh, you can tell it's already getting thick. Yummy. All right, that looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna pop this in the fridge for about 1 hour. Our pumpkin dessert is just missing one thing, so I'm gonna bring my chilled bowl and some heavy whipping cream, and we are gonna pour a generous amount of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna do about half a quart, which is this whole entire little container. And then we're gonna add some powdered sugar, and we're gonna add about 1/4 of powdered sugar into our bowl. Perfect, yummy. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. This is gonna be super easy, super quick, and super delicious. I'm just gonna use the cap.
That's the biggest vanilla I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, gotta use it, gotta get it when it's on sale. And then the last thing we're gonna add, which is optional, is some pumpkin pie spice. You know, just tie in all of the flavors so we get a well-rounded dessert. Ooh, it doesn't wanna come out. It's a brand new one, so there we go. You gotta pat the bottom. All right. Now it is time to bring in our hand mixer, and we are gonna whip this up so that we get some pumpkin spice whipped cream. All right, that's how we want it to look. I did over whip it a little bit so that it could be extra thick. This is hardened. Before we check it out, let's go look at that bottom with all those pumpkins. How fun is that?
Super fun.
Okay, we are gonna add our whipped topping on here, but before doing so, I'm just gonna run my pie cutter on the edges of our pumpkin pie to make sure that it doesn't stick. Perfect. Just to make sure it's loosened up before we unlatch it. I put my pumpkin spiced whipped cream in a piping bag with a tip, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of decorate our pumpkin pie just like so. Obviously this is optional, but I just think it's so fun and just really elevates our dessert to the next level. Oh, I'm just gonna grab these cookies and we're gonna place them right on top of those whipped cream rosettes, just like so. Now it's time to unlatch it. Okay. Woo! Okay, carefully lift it. Look at that!
Oh wow! Let's see if I can see the cookie again.
Cookie pumpkin pie, sugar cookie pumpkin pie. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy, right?
Yeah, I think we need to dig into this.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just cut around our cookie topping and make sure we get all the way through. Slice Look at that. The cookie, the pumpkin pie, the pumpkin spice whipped cream. So decadent, so yummy, so easy.
Yum.
Time to give this a try. Oh my gosh, this piece is begging to be eaten. And look at that little bright orange on the bottom.
Was it good?
Oh my gosh. That pumpkin pie is so light and delicious. And then the cookies are sweet. You gotta try it.